spray paint. And got the buildings. I mean, we're in Washington. I'm just looking around and I can't see the Seattle space tower thing. If you know what it's called. I'm gonna ask my brother. He definitely knows. Hey, Silas. What is that building? What is the building that has a rod and that turns into like a UFO and it's in Washington City? The green thingy.
The one that's really tall and it has like a needle at the top?
Yes, like the World Cup looking. Yeah, so yeah, I'm trying to look for the Seattle Space Needle.
It's over there somewhere.
Okay.
It's not that close though. Well, it's not too close.
I want to take a vid of it. I forgot to hold my breath. Yeah, you can't.
My uncle, his name is Jason. He tells everyone to hold their breath when they're in a tunnel.
That has orange lights.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see the ending. Maybe. Yeah.
What the world record? I'm not doing this.
I mean, I kept my eyes open for 16 minutes, 23 seconds, and 56 milliseconds, I think.
Oh, that's baby. I kept my eyes open for 31 minutes. I was like full eyes out. Did it.
Surely your eyes were like watering.
They're crying. I really cried. Not because I was sad or mad. Oh no, man. It was morning. It was like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Well, daytime doesn't start until 9 o'clock, but morning doesn't start until 6 o'clock.
Well, took him a couple minutes.
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
But in reality, to you guys, it would have taken like 14 hours.
I mean, it's not the world record, but it feels kind of fast because the head has a bunch of
Whoa, guys, you have to see this. Oh, look. Come on, you didn't see it. You probably couldn't see the construction, but they were building the rest of it. Oh no, not that van again. I don't like those vans because it reminds me of Anthony's. Don't ask who Anthony is. My friend. You know who Anthony is. There's a good Anthony and there's a bad Anthony. I'm talking about the bad one. That's his car. And that's what she said. 6'7" kid. I'm on the Bush channel ever and then I'll unsubscribe. Yeah. Beat it dead, Mark.
Beat a dead mark? What's beat a dead mark?
Your mom. That's actually your mom's name. I can be. 'Cause that's what she said. Like your mama. So guys, I'll take a video of Canada when we get to Canada. That's gonna be
How much longer do we got? An hour and a half?
2 hours.
An hour and a half.
2 hours like 45 minutes.
What?
Like 2 hours 45 minutes. Sorry.
My longest video is like 20 minutes.
Whoa. My longest video was 35. 35 is. It was I didn't know if I could not post it, and then I was like, oh, I can't. But then I like tried to, and then I just need help,
My
so
shortest
I
video is probably like 1 minute and 5
help.
seconds maybe.
my dad helped me, so yay! I just made it. Yesterday, today is the holiday of Christmas.
And then tomorrow is the holiday of Christmas. And then the next day is the holiday of Christ. The next day is the holiday of Chris. And then the next day is the holiday of Creed. And then the next day is the holiday of Cur. The next day is the holiday of Ch. And the next day is the holiday of C.
Of Goose.
C.
Yeah, and then the day after that is regular day.
Just a day. Just a winter day.
Yeah, 2026, buds. Sound good. Speaking of 2026, I'm going to the World Cup. Do not tell your friends that, or else they'll want to go with me, and then they'll try to subscribe, and then I'll never have time to meet Ronaldo.
Are you
Yes.
Probably not.
Why?
Because that's going to be hard. Mom, do you think it's possible for us to go actually to the real World Cup in 2026?
I should have went to the 2022 World Cup.
We didn't know about World Cup at that time.
I didn't know about any real song.
Maybe the 1990.
Unless you guys should ask Ethan.
I'll show Ethan my jersey.
I'll show Ethan all my jerseys. I have 3 that are Ronaldo. I also have chocolate bars. 3 different kinds. Cookies and cream, strawberries and cream, and peppermint bark.
I've eaten my peppermint. But.
I haven't even tried the strawberries and cream yet. I wonder what it's going to taste like when I eat it. It's either going to be today or tomorrow when I eat it.
Yeah, it's gonna probably have to be in Canada. Speaking of Canada, it's gonna take us.
On my first video I made was stupid because the first words I said were I am not taking a video, or I don't think I am, but I was, but then I have a channel, but I don't have a channel because it's not on YouTube, and I have a channel name. That's the weirdest thing ever.
All he has to do is just.
I technically have 2 channel names because Silas Hoff and OregonBoy.8, but
Well, I mean, he already is on YouTube, so. Yeah, I got it. Bye.
well, I meant some of
Lucas
his
Scoop.
videos, but I'm not really.
Yeah, okay, bye. Bye. Yeah, okay, bye.